Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Jewelz, and we're back with another unboxing and review video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Fifine Am8 Pro T RGB streaming microphone kit. In the past, I have done a review on the Fifine Am8, and so this is basically an upgraded version to this one. This mic is actually one of my favorite mics. It sounds so good. It's a XLR and USB mic. One of the best mics I've ever used, and this is supposed to be an upgraded version, so that's actually pretty dope. Very excited to get into it and see what it sounds like and see what it looks like. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about the features that comes with this. So it's a 3-in-1 multi-function control knob. As you can see, the control knob on there, you can control the mic gain, headphone volume, and you can monitor your PC output balance. It has dual connectivity of USB and XLR, and monitor headphone jack. So basically you could do everything with this mic. It has vibrant RGB streaming and gaming multi RGB preset modes on the mic. It's a one-tap mute, and yeah. So what comes in the box is a dynamic microphone with windscreen. You get an RGB boom arm, which I didn't even know that they had RGB boom arms. As you can see behind me, I have a Fifine boom arm right here. This is a heavy duty one because I have a heavy duty XLR microphone. So I will have those side by side so that you can see them. But that's pretty dope to have because I'm big into RGBs, y'all. So like an RGB boom arm is actually pretty dope. It comes with a desk clamp, a USB cable, and a user manual. So that is everything. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and then we can go ahead and test it out. All right, y'all, in the box, like we said, it comes with a boom arm, and the boom arm comes with a USB-A to USB-C, so you can take this off if you want and plug it in USB-C or USB-A. Getting my hands on this boom arm, it's obviously not a heavy duty boom arm, but this is not a cheap boom arm by any stretch of the imagination. Like, I've had other boom arms, and this one is way more solid than the other ones that I have gotten off of Amazon. So this is going to be a very quality boom arm, and the fact that it has RGBs is a plus. And then we have the USB-C to USB-A or USB-C on this as well. This is just to go into the microphone to power it, and it doesn't look like it comes with an XLR cord, but that's okay. We already have one. But when you are purchasing this, don't expect there to be an XLR cable in here. You'll have to buy that separately. And I do think that if you're going to buy a Fifine product, you should probably get a Fifine XLR cable as well. All right, y'all. So this is the Am8 Pro T. This is, this, oh my God, bro. Fifine is so good, bro. Fifine is so good. This feels so good. It is definitely not cheaply made. This has really got some weight to it. And you can just tell by the build quality that this is going to be a great mic. It's going to be a great mic. And as you can see, it's got the knob right here. And then it's actually got a little screen right here where you can check your levels. So that's really dope. And then on the bottom here, like, you got your XLR input right there, and then you have a USB-C, and then you have a headphone jack right there. You can put your headphone in there. So this is, God dang it, man. Fifine does it again, man. Fifine does it again. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and hook this bad boy up. Okay, so hold on. So it comes with the windscreen on it, which is dope. Like this, these windscreens are no joke. These are so good. They get rid of the pops and like the, like when you're talking, like you don't hear any of that type of stuff when you're using these mics. So Fifine's windscreens are top of the line, and their mics are just top of the line, period. So let's go ahead and get this all hooked up and test it out. All right, y'all, if you want to cycle through the lights on the boom arm, there is a button right on the top here, and you just press that. You can select whatever color that you want. That's really, really slick. That's super slick, super dope. Then if you would like to switch through the RGBs on the actual mic, there's a button right under here, and you just press it. All right, y'all. So as you can see, when I'm talking, this is lighting up. I'm kind of far away from the mic, so it's not picking it up that well. But if you want to mute the mic, you would just press that like that. It's a little screen, and you just tap the screen in the middle, and that will mute and unmute your mic. Then on the right here, on the first option, we have the mic gain option, and then that's how you will control the mic gain, scrolling up and down with the knob. And then the second setting will be your headphone monitoring, and you can scroll through that as well, just kind of up and down to, turn it up or down. And then the third option is the monitor voice and computer audio balance. So you'll be able to go through there and control those things. Now let's go ahead and go in to OBS and test the mic. All right, y'all. So now we're going to do a mic test for the Fifine Am8 Pro T microphone. This is a microphone check 1 2 1 2, a microphone check 1 2 1 2. This is what it sounds like for the Fifine Am8 Pro T microphone. And y'all, when you're speaking into an XLR mic, you want to speak into the top of the microphone. That's where it's going to sound the best. So you want to be about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches away from the mic. That's when it's going to sound the best. So again, this is a microphone test, microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. This is how it sounds for the Fifine Am8 Pro T mic. All right, y'all, so that's going to conclude the video. Let me know down below what you think about the Fifine Am8 Pro T. I personally think that this is a very, very good mic. Fifine always delivers, down to the quality of the packaging, to the sound quality, to the build quality. Always, always top tier for the Fifine products. You can find this mic kit on Amazon for $72.19. It is a Cyber Monday deal going on right now. It's $72.19. It is originally $95. So you're getting about $20 off. So that's a really, really good deal. You get the mic and the boom arm. And the boom arm has RGB lights, and that's super, super dope. This is a step up from the Fifine Am8 mic. Not a huge difference in the sound quality, but a little bit of a difference in the sound quality, as well as you get the extra functions that are on the mic, which are really, really dope. So that is why this is a Pro T level from the Am8. with the functionality on the mic and a little bit of a sound quality upgrade. So if you're looking for a mic like this, this is going to be the one that you want to get. This mic you can use USB or XLR. So if you don't have an XLR mixer, you can just plug it in USB and it'll sound very, very good. But I think it is going to sound best with a mixer, and Fifine has a couple mixers that are really, really good. So you just have to search those up. I will put the link to 2 mixers down below as well that are Fifine that I use. And so if you need to package it up into a deal of getting the mixer as well as the mic, I will have those links down below. Again, y'all, this is a great, great deal. If you're looking to get somebody a gift for Christmas, or even just upgrading your streaming, or even just having a nice quality mic and boom arm to go with your setup, if you're not streaming, if you're not recording, just having a nice mic is always a good thing to have. So that's going to conclude, y'all. Let me know down below, like I said, what you thought of the sound quality, what you thought of the build quality, what you thought of the boom arm, everything like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.